Hello and welcome. You've joined us on Too Sharp with ET. I'm Nisha Podar, and the two stories in focus today. India's financial system holds steady despite the global stress signals, and Hero Motors fires up the IPO engines with a bigger 1,200 crore rupees offer. Reserve Bank of India's latest financial stability report is out, and the big message is this: India's banks are prepared even if the world economy falters. Let's break it down in 5 big takeaways coming in from the report. One is that NPAs may rise, but the system is stable and resilient. Gross LPAs could edge up from 2.3 to 2.5% by 2027. But the RBI says that the banks are really riding on strong capital, low bad loans, as well as healthy profits. Two, stress tests say no red flags. Even if there is a global shock, well, the asset quality could really worsen. Capital ratios may dip, but not a single bank is expected to fall below the minimum capital requirement. Third, the faster rate transmission is on the way. Over 75% of all the bank loans now float with the market rates. So this also means that the borrowers, especially those with the PSU banks, will really benefit quicker from the RBI's recent 100 basis points on 1% rate cut. Fourth, fintech loan defaults, they are rising in small terms. Now, loans overdue by more than 90 days are at 3.6%, and the highest that we have seen in the 6 quarters. Tier 3 cities and borrowers under 25 are seeing the most amount of pressure. And 5, the household debt is growing, but mostly are manageable. Per capita debt is up from 3.9 lakh rupees to now 4.8 lakh rupees in 2 years. But over half the borrowers are top rated, and housing loan delinquencies are falling. So overall, the RBI says that the financial system is resilient, but fintech stress and rising consumption loans require a close monitoring. Hero Motors is back on the IPO track, and this time with a larger offering. Well, the company has refiled its draft papers with SEBI and now aiming to raise 1,200 crore rupees, up from the previously planned, remember, 900 crore rupees. So IPO market really looking buoyant. Look at the breakup of the numbers. 800 crore rupees will be a fresh issue to really cut debt and also expand its UP plant. 400 crore rupees is an offer for sale, mostly by OP Munjal Holdings. So Hero Motors, led by Pankaj Munjal, supplies powertrain parts to major global brands, including the types of BMW, Ducati, and Harley Davidson. And in FY24, nearly half of its revenues really came from powertrain solutions. The rest came in from the alloys and metallics. India drove 59% of the revenue, while the European contribution was 29% of their top line. Now, the company has shown solid growth. Revenue jumped from 914 crore rupees in FY22 to now over 1,000 odd crore rupees in FY24. Gross margins improved from 31% to 39%. Retail investors will get 35% of the issue. And the promoters, who now hold over 91% in the company, will be selling a part of their stake. That's it on Too Sharp with ET. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much.